Hey, it's me.
Hi Scribers, welcome back to the channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Susan and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we are in my bathroom. It's wash day and I'll be trying this new product from Ori Lifestyle. As always, I am starting on pre-pooed and detangled hair. I always pre-poo and detangle my hair with flaxseed gel the night before wash day. If you would like me to make a detailed tutorial on how I make my flaxseed gel and show you how I pre-poo, I will be sure to do that for you guys. I'm starting off with the Doo clarifying and exfoliating shampoo. This is made with salicylic acid and charcoal to deep cleanse your scalp and declog your hair follicles so that the next product you use after it will penetrate in nicely. And one thing I liked about this product is, aside smelling so good, it does not strip your hair.
It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. It smells like mint and you could smell the charcoal. Oh, my eyes. But yeah, it smells really nice. I like it. It smells very refreshing, very relaxing. I'm going to be using my scalp massager. This is the scalp massager that came in my birthday gift pack. Thanks to my best friend.
Voiceover still back here. I also noticed that with this shampoo, it lathers nicely but rinses off quickly, which is good. Most clarifying shampoos lather very well, but they take longer to rinse off, and you just end up spending more time in the shower. I shampooed my hair twice with this product, and after 2 washes, this is what my scalp looks like. Very clean. There's no build-up whatsoever. I like it. The next step after every wash day is to go in with a deep conditioner, and I'm using this one from Ori Lifestyle called Chief Deep Conditioner. Now guys, this smells very beautiful, but I also love the consistency. It means that I won't have to use too much on my hair, and a little will go a long way and I will get the perfect sleep. I love it where a conditioner has good sleep. It just means that detangling is going to be so easy, which is what I expect with every deep conditioner that I get or use on my hair. This deep conditioner is a moisturizing deep conditioner formulated with hyaluronic acid and vegan ceramide. Now this is what I mean by sleep. Can you see how my fingers are going through my hair easily? Now after finger detangling, I like to go in with a detangling brush, and guys, I have joined the bandwagon of the Tangle Teaser, and I can tell you that the natural hair girlies did not lie. I recorded my expression or my reaction to using this product or this brush for the first time on Instagram and TikTok. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you should have seen it. This brush detangles my hair like a dream. I have never used any brush that detangle my hair so easily and quickly. Like, I don't have to spend so much time in one section. I love it so much and I highly recommend. I'm going to leave a link to each and every of this product in my description box, so please do well to check it out. Okay, after working on each section, I like to put them in a chunky braid or a chunky twist before going on to the next one, just so I'm not pulling strands from one section to another, and it helps me work faster. If you see me looking up, I'm using my shower head as a mirror while I am detangling my hair. Can you guys see how that brush is gliding through my hair easily? It even makes me want to keep brushing my hair more. And the fun fact is, I am not losing hair. Like, my hair is not shedding because it's just going through it smoothly. Now guys, I advise that if you are going to use a clarifying shampoo or you're going to use a protein max, please go in with a moisturizing deep conditioner afterwards, because what the clarifying shampoo has done is to take away every moisture, nutrients, clean your scalp and your strands dry, and you need to put back that moisture in. Same thing with a protein max. A protein max adds strength to your hair, and it means that your hair will become strong, your strands are strong, so you need to go in with a moisturizing deep conditioner. So personally, once I do a shampoo with a clarifying shampoo twice, I go in with a deep conditioner that is moisturizing. Once I'm done, I put on my shower cap and let it deep condition for 30 minutes. If you have a hooded dryer, it's going to make the process faster. Now that I am done, you can see that the product has penetrated my strands. My hair looks very moisturized, and I'm just going to rinse it off. This product also rinsed off nicely. It wasn't heavy on my hair because obviously it looked really lightweight. It had good slip. So it was also easy to wash off my hair. After I am done, I always like to take out the chunky twist or the chunky braids individually and rinse. This just makes sure that I am getting my hair really clean, my strands really clean, so I don't have a coat of deep conditioner on my hair. And I do this section by section. Once I am done, I now go in with my favorite step in my wash day routine, which is shower detangling. Now, if you're an OG here, you know I always talk about shower detangling, but if you don't know what it is, shower detangling simply means detangling your hair under running water, hence the name shower detangle. And this is good to just help with your curl pattern. It's also a good way to add more moisture to your hair. As someone with low porosity hair, I need every moisture I can get and give my hair, so I always do this. Now, this is a new staple in my routine. It is the Head and Shoulders Soothing Scalp Balm. I usually do this after my shampoo and before my deep conditioner, but I wanted to show you guys a detailed step by step before showing you this, and it doesn't matter because I'm still going to rinse it off. So this is for anyone who is dealing with dandruff, you have dry scalp, you are prone to your hair getting dry and flaky. Please include this in your wash day routine. I have seen a good change in the way my hair is and lasts with protective style. Usually when I have a protective style, after 2 weeks I have to either take it out and wash my hair or do the ACV rinse I usually do. But this has changed the game. I can have my braids in for 3 weeks without even thinking of washing, and it's not flaking, it's not itching. I don't know what this does, but it definitely conditions the scalp in a way that it doesn't get dry quickly and your products stay in nicely. So if you are like me, try this out, and it's not expensive. I got this under £7, which is really good. So after my wash day is done, I like to go in with a microfiber towel. It is very important that you're using a microfiber towel or you're using an old shirt. Don't use your regular towel because it's going to snag your hair. And that's it, Scribers. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. After this step, you can go on to prep for your protective style, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Kisses!